Look what was waiting for me for lunch. But I just got this little, look how chic. Look at this hat. So excited. Rub it around. Got a Whole Foods delivery this morning. Good morning, how are we? Welcome to or back to my channel. My name is Aubrey if you're new here. If you are, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, follow me on Instagram. I'm rushing because I'm about to be late for an appointment, so I gotta go. But I want to start this video here and bring you with me. Look what was waiting for me for lunch. Oh my gosh. Alright, I just did this huge ASOS haul. I'm gonna put this in a separate video because it's just way too big. But look at all these spring colors. Look at this hat. So excited. Oh, look at this. Love it. Very excited. Went to my eye doctor, found out the contacts that I've been wearing for years I'm suddenly allergic to. And so I need to wear my glasses for 2 weeks. So Studious Aubrey is in the building, but I want to do a little unboxing. I already did my ASOS, but I have a few more things. Okay, from Amazon. So I've been really getting more and more into doing my own nails. It's so fun for me and I love it. Saves a lot of money, but I love having my nails done. They're not great right now, but I got a little nail drill because I've been doing it all filing by hand now and it takes forever. So hoping that this will like cut down on time, but it's like an electric drill. I can show you guys how I do my nails the next time that I do them. Then I also got a fake nail clipper. So I do like tips. I always just use regular like clipper or scissors, but I wanted one specifically that like won't ruin the shape. So it looks like this. And it's like rounded so you can just clip the nail. I'm becoming an esthetician over here. And then I got a bunch of jewelry from one of my factories, but oh, look how cute these earrings are. Gonna put these up on my website soon. I will link that down below, but I have my own jewelry business if you didn't know. And these are coming soon. Also these that I always wear are called the Jamie Large if you want them. All right, and then got a fun little, very little thing here. Even the littlest, stupidest things they wrap so nicely. Like what? Can't function in glasses. It's going to be a hard 2 weeks. But I just got this little it's an eyelash curler because I really needed a new one. And this one is the cutest I've ever seen. Look how sweet. All right, last thing I'll open. I got a package from the Storettes. I just got 2 things. I got this bright pink blazer that I've wanted forever, honestly. It's like this oversized, perfect pink blazer. Oh, it comes with this little green pocket square. That's cute. But it's like cotton. Look how chic. You can wear it as like a little dress. Obsessed. This color is perfect. And then the last thing I got were these little shorts from Storettes. They're super large. Have a big slit on the side. And I think they're very cute. Excited for these. Now, I need to clean up. It's the worst part of unboxing and getting packages. You need to get rid of all this stupid packaging. I even put like, please put less packaging, and you still get a bunch of these stupid plastic bags. Hate it. Anyway, time to clean up. All right, I didn't film much today. Also, I can't see you. But I'm gonna take my makeup off. I'm gonna use the Elemis.
You can't see it.
Can't see. Pro Collagen Rose Cleansing Balm. My favorite way to take my makeup off. Smells amazing. I went a couple days using like different like micellar waters or wipes, honestly, if I had to, for the past week because I wasn't at my apartment, and it was the worst. And it was the worst thing ever. I just stay having mascara under my eyes for days. So get a cleansing balm. Doesn't have to be this one, although I recommend this one. Oh, the toilet's been running the whole time. You rub it around and it breaks down all your makeup. I didn't have much on, to be fair, but it breaks down mascara, and that's all that matters. I rub very gently because you don't want to be too rough with this skin right here. And then when you mix water with it, it becomes like a real cleanser. Literally not an ounce of mascara left on my face. A little bit of this Uma Brightening Rose Toner. I love this one. I don't double cleanse technically because that's like when you use makeup remover and then you use a cleanser, but I find that the balm is kind of its own double cleanser because the oil takes off the makeup, and then when you add water it becomes a cleanser, and I really just don't have a single thing left on my skin, so then I just use a toner. But if you're using only like makeup remover and then or micellar water and then not using a cleanser on top of that, how? All right, I'm gonna use the Ordinary Lactic Acid plus HA Superficial Peeling Formula. I use this as like a chemical kind of exfoliant, not every day. I'm almost out of it. I love the Ordinary. Such a good skincare brand for so cheap. I think this was like $7. And it's just like straight up products. Like it's no bull, you know? I'm going in with my absolute favorite, Ole Henriksen Pure Truth. This one's the oil. They have serums, but the Truth Serum slash oil is my absolute favorite. Oh, it just feels so good. Ole Henriksen, my favorite. Always take it down the neck. My friend actually texted me and asked me today what's my like #1, what do I need skincare, best of the best product, and I actually said that I'm not gonna do an oil today. I'm just gonna do a moisturizer. So this one is my favorite right now, the Ultra Repair Cream Moisturizer. This is like my second tub. I had the big squeezy bottle, then I had a tub, and now I have another tub. And my boyfriend uses it too. First Aid Beauty is very straightforward skincare as well. Super easy. I bought a huge skincare kit for First Aid Beauty for my boyfriend for Christmas, and he loves them. When we travel, we bring them because me and Dan can both use it, the cleanser, the moisturizer, the eye cream. If you're just getting into skincare or whatever, check them out. I'd say First Aid Beauty and The Ordinary. This is really turning into a whole skincare like infomercial, but I'm just, you know, relaying what I know. I do love it. I will say, as much as I love skincare and I love all my products, I do genetically have pretty good skin on my face. Not other places. My problem areas are like my arms. I get chicken skin. So I will say it's not like I'm dealing with acne prone skin and really have to work for clear skin. I do genetically have pretty clear skin. So I'm not saying like I cured my skin, you know. I just want to put that out there that it's not like the end all be all for me. Now I'm going to use the First Aid Beauty eye cream. This is the 5-in-1. I have a few of their eye creams. I actually prefer their other one, but this one will do now. I forget what it is, the other one that I use, but it's so nice. I use it like under makeup. It has like almost like sparkles in it. It really brightens your skin. The First Aid Beauty Eye Duty Brightening Cream. This one is amazing. This is like the regular packaging. This is like red. I don't know. Okay, that's it for the skin. One other thing I wanted to talk about was I used this for the first time yesterday, the Miami Beach Bum cream that they sent me. First of all, it smells really good. It smells intense. It's like mint and like herbal because it's oregano. Oh, but it smells really nice. And it's supposed to be great for irritations caused by sweating, shaving, waxing, blah, blah, blah. And I did wax and shave yesterday, and I did my laser treatments at home, and I got little bumps. And I will say that they are gone today, so I'm thinking this stuff works. If you want to check it out, I'll link it down below. It works. I do have a little bit of irritation, like because of waxing my armpits, so I'm actually gonna put that. I've never put lotion on my armpits, but gonna try it out. I'm sorry the toilet was running this whole clip. I guess my toilet's broken, I don't know. Now, brush my teeth and go to bed. Right now I'm cooking my dog some chicken because we always give him dry food and then we add some chicken breast, just boiled. So nothing crazy, but boiling some chicken the rest of the week for him. I need to work on cleaning all this, cleaning this, this. Yeah, there's some things to be done. Like, I just threw this here. Yeah. Also, got a Whole Foods delivery this morning. I didn't film it because Dan put it all away, but we got like some blueberries, some half and half for some sauces and things, hummus. That tofu was from something else. Some oat milk from Malk. I've been using this Chobani sweet cream creamer in my coffee and I'm really liking it. What else did we get? Some eggs, some lemons, and then of course the drinks. So I'm on such a sparkling water kick. We got some tangerine LaCroix, I don't even know. Spindrift is my favorite. Blackberry. I haven't tried the raspberry lime yet, very excited. And I love the half tea, half lemonade. And then we always just get a lot of produce, so like a bunch of different citruses and carrots, spinach, romaine, you know, the goods. Okay, today is also going to be kind of like a meal prep day. So I'm making the dog some boiled chicken, and then with the leftover chicken, I'm sorry, I hate raw meat, so I'm sorry that I'm showing this. I'm gonna make some blackened chickens for some lunch. So my favorite seasoning ever is the blackened seasoning. This one we got at just like a local grocery market here, but I'm sure you can get any type of blackened seasoning somewhere else. So I'm just gonna pre-make this so we can have it for lunches or I don't know, in wraps or something. I love. And later I'm gonna make some granola. All right, and then I just do a little olive oil, fry them on the pan. I don't know, cook them on the pan. Still boiling the chicken. All right, we got the chicken for Brooks. And then this is the blackened chicken that I'm going to put in here when it's cooled off. All right, time to clean this. And here we go. And now the bedroom. I don't know how it got to this level, but since I'm getting all these new spring clothes, there's just spring clothes everywhere. A lot of hangers. I need to put this all away, clean it up. Some new things I need to put into my wardrobe. Yeah, a lot of work today, but it's gonna feel so good when it's all clean. All right, I just did a fresh layer of fake tan. Feel great. I haven't been tan in a really long time. These are my tanning clothes. I have these pajamas from Target, and then I just put on a black tight type of bralette, but I'm going to make some granola now. So funny though, I was like, walked in the bedroom, grabbed these, and Dan was like, oh no, you're tanning. So that's when you know you have some tan clothes. I am now gonna make some granola. I'm very excited. I haven't had my own homemade granola in a while. And I also wanted to make my own milk, but I really wanted almond milk because I do have this Malk oat milk right now, and I have oats, but I don't have almonds. So I guess I will not be making almond milk. I also have cashew milk, but I'm thinking that's a tomorrow thing. So we'll save that for tomorrow, but today I'm gonna make some granola. It's been a little while. I'm so excited. So here's what I like to use. You can literally use whatever is in your pantry, but I am using this sliced almonds, orange flavored dried cranberry, of dark chocolate little chunks, but you can use cacao nibs, any type of like chocolate chunk, or just chocolate chips. And then I have shredded coconut, coconut oil. I have a fresh one, feels so good. Oh, I like using blue agave, but I already have some in this little pump. A bit of vanilla, parchment paper, and the baking sheets. I really should get like some clear bowls so you guys can see what I'm doing, because I always use these white bowls, which I love, but you can't ever see. So you need a wet ingredients bowl. I'm just gonna use this one, and a dry. Put all the dry ingredients in here. Here are my dry ingredients. Now for the wet ingredients. I melted the coconut with the agave. I'm gonna mix my dry ingredients. Now I am going to pour in my wet and mix that all up. It smells amazing. Put it in the oven at 350 for 7 minutes. Take it out, flip it around, and then 7 more minutes. Or I just kind of watch it until it's like golden brown. Here we go, all out. It smells amazing. I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit before I put it in my little jar. Also, I just put a cup of cashews in water. I'm gonna let it soak overnight so I can do my cashew milk tomorrow. All right, now the last thing I think I'm gonna make today, I say I think because I always then get an idea and I want to do it. I just love cooking in the kitchen. Right now I keep reading the Kristen Cavallari True Roots, well, reading like their recipes, but she has the best like recipes, and the reason I love her specifically is because I don't really know her as a person. I never watched, what is it, The Hills, or just whatever. I don't really know her, but the cooking that she does is great. She has recipes for like, she makes her own ketchup, she makes her own mustard, she makes her own aioli, she makes her own milks, she makes her own everything, and it's all gluten, dairy, and refined sugar free. So these have been great. I've gotten a few recipes off of her, and I'm gonna make some this week as well. But I'm making, not from her book, but just in general, I'm making my lemon ginger tonic. This is great for my stomach. I really like having it with hot water at night or in the morning, and I gotta use up this ginger, so I'm gonna make that now. You just need 3 lemons and ginger and water. I made this, I think, in one of my last vlogs, so I'm not gonna bore you, but I'm gonna make it now. Also, tip, I peel my ginger with a spoon. I forgot who told me about that, but you end up getting a lot more of the ginger versus with a knife. And here is my granola. And I'm already snacking on it. Let's see how long this lasts.